a hill, the town lit up, the world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down, it's the hardest thing. Well, the good old days may not return. The rocks may melt, the sea may burn. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down, it's the hardest thing. Some say life will beat you down, break your heart, and steal your crown. So start it out, for God knows where. I guess I'll know when I get there. I'm learning to fly around the clouds. What goes up must come down. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. We're coming down, it's the hardest thing. Hey there folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Learning to Fly, Off into the Great Wide Open, a big Tom Petty hit. I usually shy away from the big ones, but this is such a classic Tom Petty song, I decided to do it. And I really do like to do songs geared towards the beginner guitarist. So this song is wonderful for beginners. It only has 4 chords. So definitely add this one to your playlist, Learning to Fly. And everybody likes this one. It's a good sing-along song as well if you're playing at a pub or a coffee house. So I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. There's probably some layered guitars. You know, it's a Jeff Lynne production. Probably some layered guitars with capos, but I'm just going to play the basic rhythm track. You can play without a capo. Just play it with regular open chords, and there's only 4 chords. So let me give you the 4 chords, and we'll call it a day, or a night, or an afternoon. First chord in F. So you could play that bar, or I would just play it open on this song, but however you want to play it, just in F. Second chord's a C, C major. Third chord in A minor. And the fourth chord, the last chord, G. Now you're all going to do a sus4 to the G, but we're just going to call that a G. So again, the 4 chords are F, C, A minor, G, and sus4. So slowly it would be played. And in real time more. After the learning the fly part, you just hold the G, kind of builds up, and it's back. There's a little kind of flourish on the strum there, but however you want to do that. So again, for the beginners, I would just practice that. Play along to the record. Basically, you just do do that for the entire song. And it's a classic song, Learning to Fly. It's another one of Tom Petty's songwriting masterpieces. 4 chords, never basically changes it. It still sounds great. It's not boring. It's not repetitive. Somehow, when Tom does it, it's not repetitive. And the Heartbreakers, of course. And we'll credit Jeff Lynne on the production on this one as well. So that's Learning to Fly. Great song, Off Into the Great Wide Open by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. Always love to see you on the Judge Timbers channel or at the Judge Timbers channel. If you don't know, every Saturday night I try to post a Tom Petty lesson or a Tom Petty related lesson. It could be with the Traveling Wilburys. It could be with Mudcrutch. It could be with Johnny Cash. Maybe some of Tom's other collaborations. But it's always Tom Petty related on Saturday night. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon with another lesson. Take care.